Good morning, children. How are you all? I am sure you are fine at home.
Good morning, sir.
Children, how you are enjoying these holidays? Today, children, we are going to revise lesson 3. Children, are you enjoying these revision classes? I am sure you are enjoying these revision classes. Aren't you enjoying these revision classes, children?
Yes, sir. We are having a great time.
Okay, children. Today we will revise lesson 3 nouns and gender for standard 5 students. Lesson 3 nouns and gender for class 5 students. So, children, let's start the revision. One thing I want to say you children, we default teachers are always there for your help regarding your studies. Please don't worry about your studies, we are there to help you. Now we'll start the lesson. Gender is of 4 types. Gender is of 4 types. First is masculine gender. Second is feminine gender. Third is common gender. And the fourth one is neuter gender. These are the 4 genders.
Sir, what is masculine gender?
Okay, I will tell you about masculine gender now. Children, please listen it. Masculine gender says about male people or animals. Male people and animals are said to be masculine gender. Some of the examples of masculine genders are, please children see the pictures I have done. I have written masculine gender as well and given the picture of it. Please see it now. First one is father. Father is a male, so it comes under masculine gender. Father is masculine gender. Now comes postman. Postman is also a male, so it is also a masculine gender. Now comes king. King is also a male, so it is also a feminine gender. King, king. Masculine gender. Now it is a picture of a bull. Bull is also a masculine gender. Bull, bull, masculine gender. You can see the picture of a peacock. Peacock is a masculine gender as it is cock. Cocks are generally male. So peacock is a masculine gender. Now you can see this is a tiger. Tiger is a male, so it is masculine gender. Tiger, tiger is a masculine gender. Now the king of jungle, lion. Lion is also a male, so it is also a masculine gender. Lion, lion comes under masculine gender. Now comes a picture of a waiter. We generally see in the hotel waiter. Waiter, waiter is a male, so it is a masculine gender. You can see here son. son is also masculine gender. Here grandfather is also a male. It is also a masculine gender. Grandfather is a masculine gender. Now it is a picture of a dog. Dog is a male, so it is masculine gender. DOG, dog, is a masculine gender. It is picture of a bird, goose. Gander. Gander, GANDER, gander is a male bird, so it is a masculine gender.
Sir, I want to know what is feminine gender.
Okay, feminine gender, children. Today I am going to say about the second bit or second point of the gender is feminine gender. Feminine gender says about the noun which comes under female group. Female person or female people or animal is said to be feminine gender. Some of the examples of feminine gender are, here also I have done for you, some pictures are there along with the name, whether it is feminine or masculine. So start with the first picture, feminine gender, grandmother. Grandmother is a female, that is why it is a feminine gender. Feminine gender, grandmother. Now waitress. Waitress, we see in the hotel serve our food. Waitress, WAITRESS, is a feminine gender. Now it is a picture of a daughter. Daughter is a feminine gender. DAUGHTER, daughter, is a feminine gender. Now comes postwoman. Postwoman, POSTWOMAN, postwoman is also a feminine gender. She is a lady, that's why she is feminine gender. Now it is a picture of a lioness. Lion was masculine gender. Lioness is a female, so it is a feminine gender. LIONESS, lioness. Now we'll know about the feminine gender of tiger. Feminine gender of tiger is tigress, TIGRESS, tigress. Now feminine gender of dog. Feminine gender of dog is bitch, BITCH, bitch. BITCH, bitch is the feminine gender. Feminine gender of king is queen. QUEEN, queen is the feminine gender. She is a female, that's why she is feminine gender. Now you can see mother is loving her daughter or son or child. So mother is feminine gender. MOTHER, mother. It's a feminine gender. Now gander is masculine gender and feminine gender of gander is goose. GOOSE, goose is the feminine gender of gander.
Sir, what is common gender?
Okay, now I will tell about common gender. Common gender is the noun that says about both male and female. A noun which tells about both male and female is said to be common gender. Some of the examples of common genders are, please See the pictures, children, here. Common genders pictures are here. First, start with students. Students are used for both male or female, means both boy and girl student. We use this word student, so students comes under common gender. Manager, it is also used for both male and female. If it is female or male manager, we say the same word manager. So manager is a common gender. Parents, for both father and mother we use generally one word, that is parents. So parents is a common gender used for both father and mother. Now about friends. If boyfriend also we are saying friend. If we are having girlfriend also we are saying friend. So friend is a word that is used for both male and female. So friend is a common gender. Now cousin. Cousin is a word used for both cousin brother as well as cousin sister. So cousin is a common gender. Now about the teacher. If a male teacher also teacher, female teacher also teacher. So teacher is a common gender used for both male and female teacher. Now about the passenger. Generally go in train, bus. Passenger, both male and female, we call the same word passenger. For both male and female passenger, one word is used. That's why passenger is a common gender. Singer. Male singer is also a singer. Female singer is also a singer. So singer is used for both male and female singer. So singer is a common gender. Nurse. Nurse is also common gender used for both male and female working in hospital. The common gender of nurse. Now about the patient. Patient in the hospital, whether a male patient or female patient, patients represent both male and female. So patient is common gender. Now the doctor who treats the patient. Male doctor is also a doctor, female doctor is also a doctor. So both male and for female case we use the same word doctor.
Sir, what is a neuter gender?
Neuter gender. Okay. The last one comes neuter gender. Neuter gender are the nouns that are used for neither male nor female. They are used for non-living things. That's why they are called neuter gender. You can see some of the examples of neuter gender are children here. I have done here some neuter genders with pictures. You can see it here, children. First one is shoe. Shoe is a non-living thing, so it is a neuter gender. S-H-O-E. Shoe is a neuter gender. Wall, W-A-L-L, wall is a neuter gender. Bucket, bucket is also a neuter gender. It is a non-living thing, so it is a neuter gender. B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket. Broom, broom we use to sweep floors, so B-R-O-O-M, B-R-O-O-M, broom is a neuter gender. Tap, T-A-P, tap is a neuter gender. It is also a non-living thing. Spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon is a neuter gender. It is also a non-living thing. That means all the neuter genders are non-living thing. Whatever pictures you are seeing, now you see gate. It is also a non-living thing. That's why it comes under neuter gender. G-A-T-E, gate is a neuter gender. Dustbin is a neuter gender. House, H-O-U-S-E, house is also a neuter gender. Next one is mug, where we drink coffee. M-U-G, mug. Mug is also a neuter gender. Next comes the hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer is a neuter gender. It is also a tool to work. Generally plumbers and carpenter use hammer. It is also a non-living thing. Next comes the carpet we put on the floor at home. C-A-R-P-E-T, carpet. It is also a neuter gender. So children, please raise your hand if you have understood. I am sure you have understood whatever I have taught you. If you have understood, please raise your hand so that I can know you have understood it. Now children, we will do the exercise portion of this lesson. Please watch it. I have done 2 bits here. First one is rewrite the sentence by changing the masculine noun to feminine noun. Means in question some masculine nouns are there. You have to change the masculine nouns to feminine nouns. 10 questions are there, children. I have done both question as well as answers for you. You can see the masculine noun in the question changes into feminine noun. So how it is changed, you please see here in this video. I have done so that you can prepare it for your exam. It is very important, children. Please go through it thoroughly so that you can know what is the feminine gender of a particular masculine noun. Here 10 such questions are there along with their answers. Please read it thoroughly and watch this video carefully so that you can have better idea about this gender lesson. So these are some of the questions. 10 questions are there. In bit number 1, change the masculine noun into feminine noun. After this, we will have the second bit. In that second bit, some nouns are there, children. Those nouns are not mentioned what gender they are. You have to find out the genders of those nouns, whether they are proper, whether they are masculine gender, whether they are feminine gender, common gender or neuter gender. You can see bit number 2. Identify the genders. See the left column, questions are there or nouns are there. you have to find out the gender of it. I have written both questions and answers for you to make it easy for you to understand. So these are very important. 15 questions are there where nouns are there, but I have written the genders of it. Please see these 15 questions and try to remember them. These are all important for your future exam, children. So take it seriously and read this and watch this video. Now you please watch this video. My request to you, children, at home, and revise these given revision questions, exercises. It is very important for you.
Thank you, sir.
So children, thank you for listening to me.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye children, till we meet